this video, you'll learn how to add a clickable link to your LinkedIn post for easy sharing. To begin, click the Start a Post button to open the editor. Next, type your message in the input field to introduce what you're sharing. If you want to share a YouTube video or another link, open the source page and click the Share button. Then, click Copy to prepare the link for your post. Return to your LinkedIn post editor and type your message. Paste the copied link into the text box so others can easily access it. You can explore additional options, like adding polls if you wish, and click the Post option. Finally, click View Post to ensure your link appears properly in the published post. You've just learned how to add links to a LinkedIn post.